sa akin ng pagkabata. Maraming salamat sa pagbibigay ng magandang edukasyon. Alam ko nung bata kami medyo nahirapan pa tayo kasi because medyo mahal ang tuition. So, talagang, pero you and Dad really push us to be in a good school and to be a good son for both of us, me and Rex. So, maraming salamat for providing us, and I know Dad been working in abroad also for like decades and not being with us, but being a good provider. And that's what I plan also. When we have children, we can provide and provide good education as well, so that we can give them a better life. And that's because you showed me the way. And I'm really thankful for you, Ma and Daddy, for giving me that opportunity to be a good person. Maraming salamat. And to Sir, maraming salamat kasi nung unang pagdating ko pa lang sa bahay nila, nakasimawat na siya sa akin yun. Kasi sino ba ito? Pero yung padrino ko kasi yung nanay, magaling ka siya sa mga mothers. So yung nanay, si Tita, we love her, of course. Si Tita talaga yung push, pwede. Kami yung naging close, and then eventually, we've been also close. And thank you so much for giving me that opportunity to know you more, and also be accepted as part of your family, even though we already just started way back in 2008. And thank you so much, both of you guys, for giving us the opportunity and being here, helping us to celebrate this wedding. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much for everything. I wouldn't have been here without you and Mom. Actually, she's here with me today. And I know she's looking after us from afar. Pa, thank you so much sa lahat ng sacrifices mo for the family. I'm actually very thankful that you were my father. And if I will be given a chance for another lifetime, I will choose you to be my father again. During childhood years, teenage years, hindi tayo masyadong close. Pero I'm very happy that we get to be more closer now. Nawala ka ng mami. Pero parang hindi ko masyadong na-feel ang pagkawala niya because nandiyan ka pa din. Thank you, Pops, for everything. And I would also like to thank your parents, Tito Saldi, Tita Alice, pag-welcome niyo sa akin sa family. Not only this year, but also 16 years ago. Dumating ako sa bahay niyo, akala ko hindi ako basta Tapos, natuwa talaga ako sa kanya kung sinabi niya sa akin na mama ng tao mo sa akin. So, thank you, Tita, for welcoming me to your heart and to your life as I welcome you into mine. Thank you.
Where's that?
Tito.